For this portion of the project, you're going to use the work that you did in the last section where you found out some shortcuts to do tax re- or tax calculate taxes for individuals and for people that are filing jointly. You're going to use that as a help for you on this portion of the assignment. So we're given information about an individual, what their tax or gross income, adjusted gross income is, and how much tax was paid by their employer, and we want to calculate how much she'll have to pay in taxes. So again, she's individually, so you'll use the individual plan that you looked at before, and you're going to go up to 72,000. You'll add all of those little red boxes that you filled in up to that amount, and then calculate based upon the 72,000. See what the tax she owes is, and then see if she overpaid or her employer overpaid and she's getting a refund, or if she's going to have to pay more. You'll do that with each of the sample problems. Uh, Looking at problem number 2, remember you're going to use the correct um, tax bracket from the previous assignment. So problem number 2, you're looking at filing jointly, so it's going to be two individuals, and you can go from there.